Right, it seems to be back. I don't know why that happened. I brought up the thingammy jig and my screen just went totally black. I thought, what the heck's going on with it now? Well, let me know if it goes wrong again. I'll try and keep an eye on the chat. The petrol's still hot anyway. I'm just letting it cool. I need to wipe this dust up actually before that ends up up my nose. So actually, I use a bit of this dirty tissue because let's see if I can pick this muck up. Oh, actually, if I get my magnet behind it, if I get this powerful magnet behind it, then that should pick most of it up. Right. Yeah. That's worked. Find another piece of tissue. There, all picked up. Right, okay, right. Still cooling. Need to move up this way a bit. That's better. I'm thinking about actually might be a good time to go and make some more coffee. might be a wise thing to do. Anyway, my device is running right now, and look at the voltage on it. It's better than it was before. Previously I had it got it up to 1.050 or something. Do you remember? Well, I managed to tweak it up to 1.070 now. I mean, the rate I'm going with this thing, I'm going to have it at 1.1 volts, which will be almost close to NiCad voltage, you know. And the waveform, this is the, hang on while we're waiting, the waveform on this oscilloscope that's both waveforms actually, that's both input and output. So that's just the input, so get it locked, that's just the input, that's the output, and this is both of them, input and output. And this is add, and interestingly add, it actually gets smaller, which means that I've got a phase shift. It's slightly out of phase. Interesting. Probably due to all them magnets I stuck on there. Oh, my camera's coming loose now. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of magnets biasing it on there. These little button magnets to help balance it all out. And this is levitating, by the way, at the end. That is levitating on a ball bearing. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, look, this one here is levitating as well. It's literally levitating, look. I've got a ball bearing on the end, another ball bearing with it stuck to a washer, and it's levitating on the end there. You would think it would fall off, but yeah. But with that, all this on, I've got it at 1.7 volts. 1.07, sorry. Basically what this is doing is expanding the magnetic field. It's making the field much wider, as well as also biasing the center core, and it's still using very little power. It's actually at 40 milliamps, I think, at the moment. Looking at my other power meter, I think this circuit down here on the coils altogether are only using about 40 milliamps, 45 milliamps or something. So yeah, now try and get the camera. It's going to fall off my lamp if I'm not careful. Let's see. To get this in a good place, that's probably best there. Anyway, I'm going to go and make some more coffee. This drawer should be cool enough by the time I've had some coffee. And I also noticed at 1.070 volts, when I load the output down, when I short the output down with a 10 ohm resistor, it's using when I short the output, it uses 0.3 of a milliamp, right? That is 300 microamps. That's at 1.07 volts. So when I short out, if you remember when I was loading the half a volt down, when I put a resistor or shorted out the output, it was consuming 100 microamps, which was 0.1 of a milliamp. Well, at 1.070, when I short the output out, I'm also getting more current as well, by the way. So instead of it being like 9 milliamps, I think I'm getting about 16 milliamps or something, or 17. I can't remember exactly what the number was, but when I load it down, I'm seeing a change on the input of 0.3 of a milliamp, which is 300 microamps, which is still under 1 milliamp. Which is really quite good. Right, coffee. yeah, I decided to warm up some crumpets. Well, toast some crumpets as well at the moment, which won't take long, about a minute or so. My flipping nose. I don't know if I've got a cold or a bit of a cold, but don't know. Probably. Time of year. I forgot my salt. I want salt on my crumpet. I use pink salt. Yeah, yum yum. They don't fill you up very much, but crumpets with a bit of marg or butter, nice. I got 2 of them. Oh, I need to get some bananas. I have to get. Maybe we could pay Shubers to export some bananas. Mind you, with the postal service, I don't think we'd get them. I think I need to get some more margarine because this margarine tastes a bit. I think it's out of date. You know what? I think I ought to. I think I should put the camera through Minicam. Then it shouldn't keep doing that. Tell you what, I'll shut the stream off. I'll just shut the stream off and I'll swap over to Minicam. Then I'll plug the camera in and it'll go through that, and it shouldn't keep doing that anymore because it's glitchy as anything. So I'll be back in a minute.